Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Dennis M. Today I have a new recipe, my very special recipe. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get every update that I give out. Today we have a new recipe. We will be preparing vegetable rice. Stay tuned. Here are our ingredients. We have salt, we have oil, we have a half kg of rice, we have green peas, we have carrots, we have green pepper, yellow pepper, and red pepper. And we're gonna prepare them. We will start by boiling our rice. Now we are going to start by preparation of the rice. Today I will show a new method of preparation of the rice. I'm gonna switch on our pan. We have boiling water on the other side. We first put little oil around 2 tablespoons in our sufuria. We're gonna fry this rice of ours. I have already washed my rice, so I will just press it inside. And now we mix. That we put back. Make sure that the rice is well mixed with the oil. And I will add my boiling water. The ratio of the rice to water should be 1:2. And that's enough. Stir and mix well. And cover.
Later.
Our rice is ready. There it is. We turn off the heat. Now we're going to the process of frying our vegetables so that we can mix them together. And we will oil our pan. We turn on the heat. We not a lot of oil since we had added some in our rice. So we oil our pan very well. Now we're gonna mix all the vegetables together and fry them at once. And for our peas, I have already boiled them. Just boil them for a few minutes. We add our peas. And few pinches of salt, just to add the taste. We mix all the ingredients together. Make sure that all of them are well mixed. We'll cover them. and our vegetables are ready. Now we're going to mix them together, and just pour them on the rice, and then you will mix together using a fork. Make sure you mix them completely. The ratio of the proportion of water to rice, that's what makes our rice come one by one. It won't mix and form a very not unlikable rice. Our rice is well mixed. That is our vegetable rice. Now we're going to present it on service. Has been Chef Dennis M. We have prepared you a new recipe for vegetable rice. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment on the comment section, and share my YouTube videos. Until next time, bye bye.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.